monthly Avon haul. I do one of these every month. I think I might have done one this month. I don't know if I've done one this month, but I think I might have. But I always do one a month. And anyways, if you hear weird noises, my dog is right near me. But this is my monthly Avon haul. So I'm going to show you what I got this month. And it's just a few little random things. So the first thing I got is this little sample perfume card, which is in my bag. So we're going to have a sniff, see what it smells like. If I can get it up. That smells really nice. I think I'll be ordering some of that for Christmas presents. And the next thing I got is this Be Happy candle. This was reduced to £2, I think, or £3. It was really reasonable. This is a rose and peony Be Happy candle. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'll get out the box. Oh, I can smell it already. So here it is here. It's like a votive. Is that what they're called? Votive? Oh, this is really pretty. This would go so nice for my aesthetic in this bedroom at the minute. Really like that. It's really pretty, and that would make really nice like stocking fillers, and that's certainly at that price. Then the next thing I've got is this little thing, which I thought would be good for when I film videos. Basically what it is, it's just a little storage bag. I think this was £3, I think. And I thought for when I film videos, because I prefer to sit on the floor. I feel very uncomfortable when I sit on my stool. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable when I sit on it. I need a comfier chair. So I carry all my makeup in, then put it down on the floor. And I thought this would be good to just carry all my little bits of makeup things in. But this would be good to store stuff in. I got the Boss. There's a one with eyelashes on that is really pretty too. Really pretty. Then next I got some sunglasses. Now these are pretty pricey. I think these were £15 or £20. These were a treat to myself. I haven't treated myself to a nice new pair of sunglasses this year, so I thought why not. This is them here. And these are a treat to myself. I normally always get these sunglasses every year. I'm not sure on the shape. These are from Lipsy. I always love Lipsy sunglasses. I get a pair nearly every year. This is what the side looks like. It's got very nice pearl detail on. I just really think they're pretty. They are very big, but I wear big sunglasses. I like them. I think they would look really nice without once I haven't got my headband on. Yeah, I like them, and the case is stunning. So if you like larger style sunglasses, then you would probably like them. As a treat to myself. Next, I got a pair of earrings. And these are them here. I just thought these were really pretty. Got my initial on. I think these were in the back of the book for £3 on offer. So I just thought they were really pretty. Something different. Then I got 2 nail products, because if you don't know, I'm actually doing a refresher course on nails, and just like a refresher course on nails, eyelashes, things like that. So I'm really starting to get back into doing nails again. It's something that, you know, I fell out of kind of love with, I suppose. So I'm starting to get back into it. And I got this nail polish. This is in the Mark Gel Shine. I love this line of polishes. This is in Cosmic Flush, and look at that. It's stunning. So I can't wait to try that. And then I got a chrome powder. This is it doesn't have instructions on how to use it, so I'm gonna have to look it up, because I've never, chrome powders weren't a thing when I learned nails. I think you leave like a tacky layer on and then you rub it in, but I honestly don't know. You would think they would have come with instructions, but I've got it here. And this is literally in a chrome shade. So I'm excited to try that. I'll probably try it today, to be honest. And then last but not least, I think that chrome powder was like £2 and that was £3. I will try and link everything down below. I've been getting really good at that. Last but not least is this Avon bargain bag. Now this was £10 and we're going to unbag it together. So you know I love a good unbagging. So I thought it would just be fun to unbag it together. You can tell me whether you think I got £10 worth of stuff, right? So the first thing I've got in here is like a men's toiletries bag. Then next I got this Avon Mark Magic X Fierce Primer. I think I've got this. So if I have, I will put this to one side for a giveaway. Yes, I have got this. This is a really nice primer. So I've just got mine and I've just put, right, so I've just got mine there. And I've used this a couple of times and it's nice, but it's not amazing. And it's like a white silicone primer. It's, you know, like Smashbox one. It's a bit like that, but it's white and it dries like a powdery texture. If you like that type of primer, you would like this. This is definitely one that I'm debating on decluttering. But I think if you like that type of primer, you would like that type of primer. So I think the one I'm just getting in my bargain bag, I will put away for a giveaway. But that is about £6 or £8, so it's good value. Next, I've got in this a new Youthful Awakening lipstick. So it comes in its box. Let's have a look at it. I'm surprised you're getting one of these in here, mind you. This is it here. It says it's in the shade Modest. Oh, that is such a pretty shade. I've got this shade a million times over. And I've had these and these are such a nice moisturising lipstick. So I'm going to actually keep that for my giveaway. I've got this shade a million times over. So that's good. That's a nice product. They are quite pricey too. So I think up to now we're doing alright. Next is this Blackhead Clearing Liquid Extraction Strip. Oh, I've never seen these. Help to remove dirt, impurities and the look of blackheads with this transforming peel off strip. Oh, it's literally a squeezy tube, but you put it on. Ooh. I think that would be good, but I think that would be her. So I'm going to give that a go. That is good. Something different. We've gotten some perfume samples, and this is in Avon Look for Him. And then last but not least is a jewellery item, and this is a watch, I think. Oh, that is really, really pretty. Really pretty. I think I'm going to put that away for a stocking filler or something. It's really pretty. And that is everything I got in my Avon haul. I think I got quite a good bunch of items, to be honest. If you like these type of videos, I do them every month. So if you haven't already, please subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.